Alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon triple bond. These are also called as acetylenes. General molecular formula is CnH2n-2. These are more reactive than alkenes as compared with alkanes also. So reactivity order, alkynes more than alkenes more than alkanes. Alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon triple bond. These are also called as acetylenes. General formula is CnH2n-2. Sources of alkynes: natural gas and petroleum, and also ethane is obtained from hydrolysis of calcium carbide in large quantities also. Ethane formula C2H2 is obtained from hydrolysis of calcium carbide. Hydrolysis of calcium carbide. Next, first 10 members of the series we can take here. First one, n value I am taking 1. That compound do not exist. Second onwards it is existing. Now n value 2, 2 2s 4, 4 minus 2, 2. So here first C2H2, this we are called as ethane. C3H4, this we are called as propyne. C4H6, butane. C5H8, pentane. C6H10, hexane. C7H12, heptane. C8H14, octane. C9H16, C9H16 we are called as nonine. C10H18, this is decyne. So these are the up to 10 members of the alkynes. Now structure of ethane. Structure of ethane. Ethane formula C2H2. This can be written as HC triple bond CH. Electronic structure I am taking carbon containing 4 valence electrons that I am indicating with cross. This carbon also containing 4 valence electrons. This is hydrogen electron. This is also hydrogen electron. Here hydrogen acquires duplet configuration. Carbon acquires octet configuration. Here carbon acquires octet configuration. Here hydrogen acquires duplet configuration. This is the electronic structure of ethane or acetylene. Now, IUPAC nomenclature. See, I am taking CH3, CH2, C triple bond C, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here triple bond position should be least number we are choosing. See here from this side third carbon we have triple bond. From this side second carbon we have triple bond. So this chain is correct. This we are not choosing. So its IUPAC name is 5 carbons means root word pent 2-ine or 2-pentyne we can write. Now one more compound I am taking CH3, CH, CH3, C triple bond C H. From this I am taking priority 1, 2, 3, 4. First priority here I given. Why? Because triple bond position at this carbon. So here onwards I am taking. So third carbon we have methyl group. So its name is 2-methyl 4 carbons butane. Now I am writing here one more compound CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, C triple bond CH. Simply you can say here numbering here onwards we are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name is at third carbon we have methyl. So its name is 3-methyl. 5 carbons means pentyne. We are not giving number here. Why? Because first carbon only having triple bond. Now CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, C triple bond, CH. This I am taking. First priority must be given to double bond, and at the same time lowest sum rule we have to check here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this side double bond position second, triple bond position 5. So 2 plus 5, 7. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here triple bond position 1 and double bond position 4. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. This we are choosing. Here lowest sum it is, that's why we are choosing. First we are writing double bond, thereafter triple bond we are writing. See here it is 6 carbons we have means hex. Hex at fourth carbon double bond we have. 4 in at first carbon triple bond we have 1-ine. This is the UPSC name of the some compounds of alkynes. Next preparation of ethine. Ethine formula C2H2. It is also called as acetylene. preparation of ethine or acetylene. In laboratory we have two methods. One is hydrolysis of calcium carbide gives ethine. Second one is dehydrohalogenation of ethylene dibromide. And third method, general method, that is thermal decomposition of methane at a high temperature. The first one is hydrolysis of calcium carbide. See here calcium carbide CaC2 plus 2H2O, we get HC triple bond CH plus calcium hydroxide. Along with ethine, some impurities are also coming, that is hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, arsine and phosphine PH3. These are impurities released along with ethine. Now the coming gas is passed through water. Water absorbing H2S, NH3 and ASH3. Now we get ethine and phosphine. This mixture is passed through acidified potassium dichromate H2SO4 and K2Cr2O7. Here it is absorbing phosphine. Phosphine is absorbed in this solution and we get pure ethine. This we get. And one more thing, calcium carbide is obtained from quicklime, that is calcium oxide, treated with 3 moles of coke. Temperature is about 2000 degree Celsius, and carbon monoxide gas also coming and forming calcium carbide. This is about hydrolysis of calcium carbide gives ethine. Next one is, it is a laboratory method. It is laboratory method. And one more thing, this gas is collected by, ethine is collected by downward displacement of water. Second method of preparation, it is also laboratory method, that is dehydrohalogenation of ethylene dibromide. We know dehydrohalogenating agent. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide is called dehydrohalogenating agent. See, ethylene dibromide I am taking CH2, it is bromine, treated with 2 moles of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. alcoholic, it is on boiling or we have to write boil, we get HC triple bond CH plus two KBr plus 2H2O. This is ethine. This reaction we are called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation means bromine hydrogen comes out. Bromine hydrogen comes out. Here one bromine, one hydrogen, one bromine, one hydrogen, total two bromine, two hydrogens coming. That's why here it is remaining CH triple bond CH. This is ethine is formed. Next third reaction is thermal decomposition of methane. Thermal decomposition of methane at high temperature gives ethine. Very important reaction it is. See here 2 moles of methane I am taking here. It is subjected to electric arc. Electric arc. Temperature is about 1500 degree Celsius. We get HC triple bond CH and 3 moles of hydrogen gas is released. This is ethine. So in these methods we can prepare ethine. Next physical properties of ethine. It is a colorless gas. It has a faint garlic odor and it is slightly soluble in water. It is lighter than air and highly soluble in organic solvents, benzene and acetone. Its melting point is 82 degrees Celsius and boiling point is minus 75 degree Celsius. See here physical properties. Physical properties of ethine. It is a colorless gas. It has faint garlic odor due to presence of impurities, that is phosphine. Third one, lighter than air. And fourth one, slightly soluble in water. And soluble in organic solvents such as benzene C6H6, acetone CH3CO CH3, acetone, and melting point is minus 82 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is minus 75 degree Celsius.